Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So let's start off with Phantom Wallet so we know that that is done with. All you want to do is hit receive once you're on the home screen. From there you want to select your network and we are going to use Solana and we are just going to click right here to copy the wallet address. So now we can just hop back to Bybit and go to withdraw. Next we want to select what we need to withdraw. So in this case that's going to be USDT. Once that's done, we will be brought to this screen here and we want to insert our wallet address right over here. Now select our network and for us that's going to be Solana. Lastly, we want to select our amount and make sure you have enough to cover the withdrawal as well as any additional fees such as gas and withdrawal fees. Once that's complete, feel free to hit withdraw. It will probably bring you to a review screen afterwards just to confirm that you are happy with the transaction details, and that is it. Thanks for watching and make sure to hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.